Hello, how's it going? Hope everything's going well. Just another beautiful day here in California. Sky's super blue. Birds are singing. Actually, last week we had a bit of a snowstorm. I guess it was the most snow they had gotten in about 50 years here. And a lot of people were without power or hydro for a couple of days up to a week. Everything seems to be back to normal now, and we're just really grateful for that. Actually, last week I was preparing for some classes, and I got this textbook here, this ESL grammar book for those who want to study the TOEFL test. And I was just kind of going through it, preparing for some classes, and found on the first page, actually, they're talking about pronouns. And so I was preparing for it, and actually I found this one section that I think even native speakers would probably have a hard time with. So I thought I'd just try and share it with you guys today. Pronouns are basically words that replace people's names or replace people. So they're often used as subjects. So for example, you have something like he writes music, or she sings well. Okay, so in both cases, he and she are pronouns, and they're acting as subjects of the sentence. Now, pronouns can also be used as objects of sentences. So for example, we have the sentences here: I saw him, and he gave her a present. Okay, in these cases, both him and her are object pronouns. Okay, and what I thought was interesting was when it gets into comparisons. So here we have comparison here for like than or as. So for example, he paints better than her, or he paints better than she. Okay, and so the answer is, so the question is, which one will we put there in the blank? He paints better than her, or he paints better than she. Okay, and I think a lot of people would probably say he paints better than her, but actually the answer is he paints better than she. And the reason we know that is if you imagine putting the verb at the end of the sentence, repeated at the end again, we see that it makes sense. He paints better than she does. So the answer is not her, the answer is she. We can see it in another example like this. So for example, I am as tall as he, or I am as tall as him. Okay, and I think a lot of native people would say again, I am as tall as him. But again, the actual answer is he. So I am as tall as he, and if we put the verb in at the end, we can see that it makes sense. So I am as tall as he is. Does it make sense? Okay, well that's my class for today, and I hope you liked it. If you've got any questions or comments, just let me know, and hopefully we can do more of these. Okay, thanks, bye.